In the last video, we learned about the tuples and list and the mutability of lists and immutability of tuples. So there are very specific use case about the tuples, but let's discuss about one specific use case. If we want to return two values from a single function, then we can return the 2, 3, 4, any number of values by using tuple. So let's say we are defining a function here, division, which is taking two numbers, one number 2, and we want to return the remainder and the quotient both. So let's say this remainder variable holds the value of remainder in it, and the variable quotient holds the value of quotient 2. And if we want to return the both the values, then we can return them in tuple like this. So here is the magic, right? Division, let's say 3 and 4 here, and this is showing up. The 3 is the remainder and 0.75 is the quotient. And if we want to return one more thing, that is multiplication, then that's also very much possible here by this. So the third member of this tuple is multiplier, and boom. So 3 is remainder, 0.75 is quotient, and the multiplication of the both of the numbers is 12. So this is how we can use tuples, and there are some more cases which we will discuss later in this course. Till then, thanks a lot for watching this video. Happy coding.